See that bird on it? And that bird in the box? It's a baby bird in it.
You guys just have to help her get it out.
That, we think that's a mom.
Want to go, come back and go. Well, I just want to see if the mom...
Sit there.
It's stupid. It's not even like...
He's coming up.
So that's my favorite bird.
Well, what am I going to do? Take it out of the freaking box again?
Don't even think about it getting it.
Should I let it out of the box?
Probably.
I think so.
Mosquito bites are so itchy. It's just watching it though, huh?
I know, it's just like, hi.
You're weird.
Let's
Dad.
go.
Weird
It could be a
dad.
mom. I don't know that.
Weird dad or mom.
You don't know that it's a dad. You don't know that's a mom. Because we don't study birds. Ouch. 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 Maybe I should have put on shoes. Go. Get it? Can I take?
What? It's not in here.
It's not?
No, I took it out so it can go with its mom.
Oh. Psh. Okay.
No, we have to go. Wait for it to get it.
How did
Birds
they,
up there.
Hurry up. Get over here.
how did they get it?
I'm trying. Calm down.
Don't mind keeping that eye on.
It's just watching it.
That's a weird word. You're so weird.
No shoes on. Got poked a lot of times.
Come down.
No, it's just looking at it. Poor bird.
That's mama.
The heck? Does it not see it?
Maybe that's not the right bird.
At least we tried. It's just looking at it. Oh, it's going down. It's going down. It went down.
No, finally. I did see it.
It went down. I wish I could zoom in. I can't zoom in though.
I wonder if I got it.
Let's go back and check.
Oh, come on. Lay down and relax. What's the bird again?
I should have came over here with shoes. Shh. Come here, shush.
My shoes are so noisy. Mama, I don't
Can you see the bird? It's right there. The mom? The maybe mom bird is right there.
Stop getting so close.
This is good thinking, recording it. Where's...
Can you even see it?
I don't know. Is it lost? Did it lose it?
Did it escape?
Violet, can you give me one of those shoes?
Jesus Christ.
Because I have no shoes. So I can just go like that.
Is it 100 right now?
Nope, it's like 70 something. It's gonna get way hotter. Oh, shade, my feet are like, wow.
Oh, there. Look.
First step.
Look. The babies. They're all together.
Weird.
All of them. You see
They're
them?
over
You see them,
there.
Rennie?
They're by the hose. Oh, can you see them by the hose? I don't know if you guys can, but they're like,
You see all the babies with
Yeah.
them? Those are the parents.
good couple.
I'm gonna get like a little closer.
Did you make a good couple?
See? All their babies?
Oh, I don't think you can see it on the video though. Oh,
Where's the
a
other
bee.
little? Did they get the other little one?
Don't get too close because you'll scare Mom.
I saw the baby bird. It's behind the bucket.
It's not.
Yes, it is. I saw it.
You're crazy. It's right with the mom, Miley.
See?
Oh my God, you're right.
Told you, Yvette.
oh my God, no! I'm gonna lose him.
Oh.
Get it? I
You're
wanna.
so close. You're so close.
You're so close, baby. Come on, you can do it. It's okay.
Hurry, grab it, grab it, grab it.
No, we can't grab it. It's right there. Come on, you grab it. Okay. Oh, can I videotape it?
Hurry, hurry. Where's the girl? Where are you?
She has it in her hand. I don't know if you guys can see it though.
Oh, wait, your friend. There.
Wait, the one went over there though.
It's because it got scared. Don't go.
Oh, go, come on.
There. Come on.
Yeah, it went.
Problem solved.
Oh,
Guys are so cute.
oh, there's one right here though.
Where?
There's one right here.
Where?
It's right there, look.
Where?
You don't see it?
No, where?
It's right there by that leaf, by that white thing.
I see it. It's right there.
It's by that white thing. You guys don't see it? It's moving.
Can I hold it?
See? Now you guys see it.
They're too fast. It'll go. Here, it's going. Just make sure it goes so it doesn't get it. Go with your mama.
Your mommy.
Mama's over there.
Fast. I can't grab it.
They like jump. It's cute.
Don't hide from me. I'm trying to get you home.
We won't hurt you, we promise. Oh, I think they already went. You can't see them anymore. Come on, we're doing you a favor.
Come with your friends.
Family.
That's a big ass spider.
Where? Yeah, where? I'm scared. Unless you'll be. Go. Can you see any more?
No.
Did it go?
Yeah, it went. I'm trying to see if there's any more babies just in case. Because what if there's a baby and it got lost?
Do you see any more?
No.
Go find her way. Come on.
Oh,
Look a heart.
oh, we saved baby chicks.
Yeah, we saved them, but we didn't get to hold them.
Yeah, because if we hold them, we could have scared them. We could have dropped them. We could have given them a heart attack. But they know what they're doing. Aww. Well, I'm sorry if I end this video because I want to. And baby chickens accomplished. I'm uploading this to YouTube. I'm gonna do that because we saved babies' lives. That deserves to be on a video. That's on YouTube. Oh my God. Oh shoot. Good. Okay. Accomplished.